channel.
Okay, welcome back to video to see our video again. So today we're gonna go to golf with my nyakas and my and also Becca didn't go with us because she didn't go with us because it's my nyakas plan. So that's why I go me and my nyakas. So let's go to golf. Teman-teman nilajin po yung golf. Ano niya?
Oh, naran dia.
Teman-teman nilajin po yung golf. Tingin sa rung ha po. Tingin sa pag-ibig. Teman-teman nila po sa golf. Then one room niya.
Jauh. Jarang enggak? Con stop lại. Như vậy. Hay cho hết con stop lại.
Gini dia. Internet. Use shada ini. I'm gonna use gini.
Tangan.
Okay guys, now we are painting. And also also it's almost raining, so that's why it's not the best day ever.
Kenan nang gini aja jarang pun.
So we're gonna paint. Mom, tadi itu pun ini.
Oh, lah di pon gitu. Oh, ya rasanya tuh.
Bila lagi kenara? Tak kasih nang paint hanya. I mean, it's not the best time ever because it's time to rain and the golf is almost closing, so we're just gonna sit only like I don't know. So I'm gonna paint first we're gonna do this with a crayon, and we're gonna do when we finish with the crayons we're gonna do with the painting. We almost finished. And we almost finished drawing. We're gonna go home because yeah, when we're just gonna paint a little bit and then we will, because look at the sky. The sky is so black. Can you show? Did you see the sky? It's in Khasi they call lit2, and also it's black. So when we go home, first we will go eat, then we will go home at the restaurant. So we will draw first, guys. I don't know where we will go. I don't know. We will check. I don't know. Sudah ke mana? Ni cek.
Mana dah? Kita lupa nang tu.
Stay dah.
Entah siapa.
Stay dah mo. Tengok tu. Nice. Now it's raining, very raining, and also It's not a best day. It's not a best day like when I go with my grandma. And also, I could balik menengok like
White, blue ni.
and also guys, I finished my drawing. I just draw simple because it's not a best day. You want to look? It's not a good drawing. These are trees like cherry blossom. That's why I add pink color. They are cherry blossom trees. And you see the clouds are so black. So I give it like blue, silver, and white in here, the clouds. And in here I just give grass color. Such a bad day. At least it's okay. It's okay. At least we just come. Ada yang call na. Polas na. Beli kau des medum je.
Pasang na. This, what is this, Yakuma?
This is trees and grass. And mine is cherry blossom, grass, and the sky.
Ni kan?
I mean, mine is not the best drawing. I mean, it's okay. Tinggal sabit temen kedua. It's very bad drawing, but it's okay. At least I tried my best a little bit.
Yes, as long as you.
Tip. A bit.
Oh, jangan re.
You cannot see nicely mine because I just draw a little bit. So you can look. I don't know how to draw that much because it's raining right now. It's not the best day, and even there's a mosquito is coming in my ears. So that's why it's not the best day. Let's go eat.
There's nada.
Mantapnya apa? Pasti.
Jadi bila hana ko to ko eh.
Umati alik
Pinang
dito.
ko eh siya.
Ha? Also the sky there.
Persis. Gum na mo dia wata pinang badan. Support na wata. Iya. Contoh?
Video. Ya ini. Apa kat. Hai, orang ada bro. Kau sasia lit. Lagin.
Next dah.
Oh, that's nice.
Mas. 1, 2, 3. Next. Next. Aduh. Next. Next. Dah kan? Kau Bibi.
Kedua.